Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're focusing on 3 powerful fruits everyone over 50 should include in their diet for better health. We'll cover the amazing benefits of papaya, along with 2 other fruits that can support healthy aging and keep you feeling your best. But before we go to ahead, please like this video, share with others who might need it, and subscribe FitLife Fusion for more health-related videos. First on our list is the tropical favorite, papaya. Papaya is rich in an enzyme called papain, which helps with digestion by breaking down proteins, making it easier on your stomach. As we age, digestive health becomes crucial, and papaya is a natural way to keep things moving smoothly. Additionally, it's loaded with antioxidants like beta-carotene and vitamin C and E, which help protect the skin, boost immunity, and fight inflammation. Adding papaya to your diet can give you a healthy glow and support digestive health at the same time. Next, we have blueberries. These small berries pack a big punch, especially for brain health. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress in the brain. Studies show they can help improve memory and delay age-related cognitive decline. Blueberries are also anti-inflammatory, supporting heart health and reducing joint pain. So, if you want to keep your mind sharp and body healthy, make blueberries a daily treat. Lastly, let's talk about apples. High in fiber, apples are excellent for heart health and blood sugar control, both critical as we age. The fiber in apples helps lower cholesterol levels and keeps blood sugar stable, which can reduce the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular issues. Plus, apples contain antioxidants like quercetin, which supports lung health and strengthens immunity. A simple apple a day can truly keep the doctor away. So there you have it. Papaya, blueberries, and apples are 3 of the best fruits to support your health after 50. Add these to your diet and enjoy the benefits for your skin, brain, heart, and more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.